Chicken is a popular meat that is loved by kids all around the world. It is a versatile ingredient that can be cooked in various ways, such as chicken nuggets, chicken drumsticks, and chicken fingers. However, if you want to try something different and unique, here are some quick chicken recipes that both adults and children will enjoy. One of the recipes that you can try is maple baked chicken breasts. To prepare this dish, you will need boneless, skinless chicken, maple syrup, Dijon mustard, soy sauce, fresh thyme, fresh rosemary, salt, and pepper. After seasoning the chicken with salt and pepper, you can mix the maple syrup, Dijon mustard, and soy sauce in a bowl and pour it over the chicken. Place the chicken in a baking dish, add the thyme and rosemary, and bake it in a preheated oven for 30 to 40 minutes. Once done, you can remove the herbs and spoon the sauce over the chicken before serving. Another recipe that you can try is the ultimate cheesy chicken nuggets. To make this dish, you will need frozen chicken nuggets, pizza sauce, mozzarella, salt, pepper, and fresh basil. Arrange the frozen chicken nuggets in a baking dish and spoon pizza sauce over them. Season them with salt and pepper and cover them with mozzarella. Bake them in a preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes, and once done, garnish them with fresh basil before serving. Lastly, you can try the easy cheese and chicken sloppy joes. To make this dish, you will need ground chicken, garlic, onion, mozzarella, ketchup, brown sugar, yellow mustard, olive oil, chili powder, Worcestershire sauce, salt, pepper, and buns. Cook the onion and garlic in oil until tender, then add the ground chicken and cook until it is no longer pink. Add the ketchup, brown sugar, mustard, chili powder, and Worcestershire sauce, and season with salt and pepper. Simmer the mixture for 5 minutes, then top it with mozzarella and cover it for 2 minutes. Once done, serve it on buns. In conclusion, these chicken recipes are quick and easy to prepare, making them perfect for busy individuals or families. With these recipes, you can add a twist to your usual chicken dishes and make mealtime more exciting.